Hello everyone, welcome back to Amabadilo Nechkundam channel. Here I am again with another video, and we expect the desires of your heart be fulfilled in the way you expect them to be, and hope you all are having a very great day. And I should have done this before itself 3 or 4 weeks back, but a little bit late I have done this. I'm sorry for that. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE has released the regionalized syllabus for class 10th for the current academic session 2021 to 2022. The board has released the term-wise syllabus based on which the board examinations will be conducted at the end of each term. And you should be very careful with your internal marks, internal assessments, whatever your teachers, your faculty members give you, that must be promptly done. And here are your the way they will be allotting the marks. Reading wise 10 marks, writing and grammar part 10 marks, literature part 20 marks, total comes to 40. Internal assessment wise 10 marks, and grand total comes to 50. And your language and literature wise, code number 184, you have reading wise discursive passage of 400 to 450 words, and factual passage 300 to 350 words. And your writing skills, formal letter based on given situations, letter to the editor or letter of complaint, either official or business wise. Grammar wise, tenses, modal, subject verb concordance, determiners, reported speech, commands and request statements, and questions. And coming to your lessons, that is your prose and poetry work, you will be having from your prose. The lessons which already covered are Letter to God, Nelson Mandela, 2 stories about flying from the Diary of Annie Frank, The 100 Dresses Part 1 and Part 2, and the poetry wise, Dust of Snow, Fire and Ice, A Tiger in the Zoo, the Ball poem. And the extensive reading, that is your supplementary reader wise, you are having a Triumph of Surgery, The Thief's Story, and Footprints Without Feet. So hopefully everything is done. Footprints Without Feet, only one video must be put forward, and I'll be doing it very sooner. And coming to your semester 2 also, same way they will be awarding your marks. Reading 10, writing and grammar 10, literature 20, total comes to 40, internal assessment 10, grand total comes to your 50. So always be very prompt with your internal assessments, and even discipline also is counted in that. Submit your projects in time to your faculty members, and please maintain discipline. Term 2 wise, you have again discursive passage, factual passage in the same manner as you had it in term 1, and rewriting part, you have formal letter based on given situation, letter of order or inquiry, analytical paragraph based on the outline given there, or etc. And grammar, tenses, modal, subject verb concordance, determiners, and same thing continues. Literature wise, you have prose wise, Glimpses of India, Madam Rides the Bus, The Sermon at Benares, The Proposal play. And poetry wise, Amanda, Animals, and The Tale of Custard the Dragon. Coming to your supplementary reader, you have The Making of a Scientist, The Necklace, The Hack Driver, and The Bully. So, dear people, I hope you got this information in a proper manner. It is given to you people. Let your dreams be bigger than your fears, and that's what I believe, and that's what I want my dreams to be bigger than my fears. And let your actions be louder than your words. As subscribers, let your actions be louder than your words, and help others to by sharing these videos to them. I want to reach the top of the mountain. Just looking at it, I can't do it. I have to take some steps. So I request you people kindly like, share, and do subscribe to Amabadilo Nechkundam channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Really, I'm grateful to you people who all have subscribed to it.